you ain't getting it right for the rest of the season.
1,000%. 1,000%.
Look, I swear, little country can pull that shit off. He can. I'm telling you.
He can.
I'm telling you, he can pull that shit off.
Fuck I've ever seen in my life.
He's really what?
Luckiest fuck I've ever seen in my life.
Think about that one.
Hey, better be lucky
Let's
than
take a
that.
little look, take a little look.
Of course it takes a
Hey, put that camera up there, man. That's a bad one. Just slide it up there, man. Just look at that. That's
Why you
a
slide
bad.
him there and losers roll up there?
Nah. That's an OG up there.
You going to Tulsa?
Hey, that's an OG up there, man.
Y'all see the OG, right?
Drive home tonight, go to NHR races tomorrow.
Yup. Had a tough little weekend, but it is what it is.
Tough little weekend.
It is what it is.
With my ass, with my hand.
Yeah, fucked her hand up.
God
And she still
dang.
drove.
You gonna go to the hospital?
Nah.
Hey,
She ain't
I
hurting
was
like
packing
that.
the shoot, right? The guy said she needs stitches, but we was trying to tell her, but she's just stubborn. I said, yeah, that's okay. She in some pain right now. Yeah, she slit her hand open last night. Still drove.
Somebody talking about I haven't watched no woman. Yeah, she fast in the mug. She know what she doing.
She alright.
You going to Charlotte? I'm going in.
Yeah, I'm about to go up there a little bit.
Okay, I'm about to.
Okay,
About
I
to-
gotta get with you before you leave, though.
Come on, baby.
Oh yeah, let's get a ride. Let's get a ride, man.
Yeah, Chris, I want to take Are y'all ready?
Oh, I thought we was finna get a ride.
No, we're going to walk
I know that they work. Oh yeah, see tonight I already see an excuse why dang, I need to go somewhere. I need to let somebody. Hold on, y'all. Say she like it inside. Hey man, I gotta go use the bathroom.
Set him up looking at
Yeah,
the
man.
trailer, man. Shit, that old girl got this shit.
All right, y'all, I'm back. Let me see, man. What's up with it, Twisted Soul? Let me see. Everything good? Let me see. Get this charge on here. That gimbal blinking. Dang. This really about the best time to go on ahead and it's really about the best time to go on ahead and pull that drone out, ain't it? Or what y'all thinking, man? What y'all thinking? Should I pull that drone out? Or y'all just want me to just stay live like this? I pull that drone there, we gonna. I go back live with it. I go back live with it. Man, we really ain't got nothing but 4 cars left. Now, what I could do is, look, here the camera crew. I guess there go one of them. They won't race with my drone in the air. J Bo said they won't race with my drone in the air. Man, they won't even. I'm afraid the drone might buffer. Well? Oh yeah? You ready? They wax clean on that thing, man. They been waxing on it. They'll probably, phone just reached. The phone ain't, well, I don't think it's gonna buffer. How about that? That's all I can say. I don't think it's gonna buffer. We got a good, steady connection over here. And also, even if it do buffer, I still get it live. The good thing about my drone is I can record it on a memory card and I can go live at the same time. Pat M, my people saying I need permission to put the drone up because, you know, we got the Street Outlaws here and the Discovery Channel. And, you know, they ain't gonna want nobody with no footage that look better than them. You know what I'm saying? They ain't gonna want that. So they gonna be, yeah, dude, we don't know if you have a license. And I can show them the license and insurance and all that. But they really don't want to see all that. They just want to be the ones with that footage, you know? And they probably feel like, we don't know if he's safe. And, you know, they don't want no problems. I understand. I'm going to try not to give them no problems. But I still want to try to, oh yeah, I can tell them I'm with Motor Trend. That's what Horsecock Express says. Tell me you're with Motor Trend, dude. They should just believe you. Oh man, you think they don't want nobody eating? Boy, I ain't never seen nobody worse than Flow Racing Speed Video. Ooh, someone don't want to see you eat. I told y'all when I went to, let's see what they are looking at over here.